We truly putting the resident, we call our clients residents, at the center of what we do.
Our residents are everything. We try to listen to our residents, understand our residents, build really meaningful relationships, and that's what sets us apart.
We have introduced a level of service that wasn't here in the market, which comes from our background from hospitality, and really try to bring the hotel style service to a workspace. We have a partnership with the Hospitality School of Lausanne, and we have invested and spent real money to develop a training program for our staff. We design our spaces. Kind of when you walk into our spaces, you get like this energy, but the beauty of the spaces. We have introduced technology that makes your day much easier. The connectivity, how you do a conference call, how you do a video conference call, how you book a space, how you get food to your desk, all of that is through technology. Our doors, our partition system, which we design, and it never slams. The #1 complaint of users of co-working is too noisy. We found the technology out of MIT. It cancels the noise around you. It's all the details. It's all thought through.
We don't talk so much about community at Fora as about a sense of belonging. Coming into Fora almost feels like coming home. It's a place that people really feel very comfortable.
Do you want to feel like this is your home? Or, you know, it feels way better than an office because it feels like home. And the sense of I'm determining how this space is going to feel because I belong here, because this is my house, is something we're very focused on.